It's the first day of spring. What better way to be COVID conscious and isolate yourself with a beautiful view in an outdoors RV.
Make sure to check out our RV parts department where we've got all the accessories and repair parts that you're going to need for the upcoming camping season.
Outdoors RV fifth wheels.
And we have bumper pulls, including anniversary editions.
And we have toy haulers.
And we have kick-ass chairs, we have tables, and we have to-go mugs.
Backup camper that I'm holding on to right now, hitches, as well as plumbing, electrical, any other kind of repair parts that you might need.
Hey Zach, where you headed?
Out here to do some self-isolation.